Hello, it's me, Vicky, again. And in today's video, we're going to look at adjectives, but comparative and superlative adjectives. So, in other words, when we're saying that something's more than something else or something's the most than something else. Anyway, let's have some examples, that always helps. Now, in English, if a word such as big is one syllable, to make the comparative adjective, we just add er, so it becomes bigger. And to make the superlative adjective, we add est, the biggest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Let's think of an example. So, sharks. No, let's start with. I should have prepared the examples. Okay. Tuna are big fish. Tuna are big fish. Sharks are bigger. Sharks are bigger. And whales, although they're not really fish, are the biggest. Yeah? So, tuna are big, sharks are bigger, but whales are the biggest. Okay, let's have another one. The opposite, small. Again, it's one syllable. So we've got small, smaller, the smallest. So let's have an example using dogs. So, what dogs are small? Poodles. Poodles are small. What's smaller than a poodle? Pinschers are smaller. So poodles are small. Pinschers are smaller, miniature pinschers. But chihuahuas are the smallest. Yeah? Small, smaller, the smallest. Do you understand? Okay, then we have good. I think you all know what good means. And we don't say gooder or the goodest. No. Good, better, the best. Yeah? So let's have an example using this. So for me, don't forget these are personal examples. So for me, let's say red wine is good. White wine is better. And rosé wine is the best. Red wine is good, white wine is better, and rosé wine is the best. What about you? What is good, better, the best for you? The opposite. Bad. Again, we don't say badder or baddest. No. Bad, worse, the worst. So let's say, what's bad? Oh, I always try to be positive, so it's difficult to think of something that's bad. Yeah. Mosquitoes are bad. Mosquitoes are bad. What's worse than mosquitoes? Tiger mosquitoes are worse. So mosquitoes are bad. Normal mosquitoes. Tiger mosquitoes are worse. And cockroaches are the worst. So, normal mosquitoes are bad, tiger mosquitoes are worse, and cockroaches are the worst. Okay, slow. I'm very slow. I do everything slowly. Okay, slow, slower, the slowest. So, what can we think of that's slow? I suppose a tortoise. A tortoise is slow, isn't it? So tortoises are slow. What's slower than a tortoise? What is slower than a tortoise? Probably centipedes. A centipede is slower, and the slowest is probably a snail. So, tortoises are slow, centipedes are slower, and snails are the slowest. Actually, tortoises can be quite quick sometimes. Anyway, or quite fast. So, the opposite of slow, fast, faster, the fastest. So what's fast? I think in the animal kingdom, let's think of animals. So yes, I think dogs are fast. Yeah, dogs run fast. But lions run faster. Yeah, dogs run fast, lions run faster, and cheetahs are the fastest. Cheetahs are the fastest. Now, when we have a word that has more than one syllable, we don't add ER or EST. So when we have a word such as intelligent, which is actually 4 syllables, we don't say intelligenter or intelligentest. We say more intelligent, the most intelligent. Okay, so let's think of an example with intelligent. I'm going to go back to the animal kingdom. Dogs, you probably gathered by now if you follow my videos, etc. I do like dogs. Dogs are very intelligent. Dogs are intelligent. Cats are more intelligent. Yeah, maybe. What do you think? Do you think dogs are more intelligent than cats, or cats are more intelligent than dogs? So, dogs are intelligent, cats are more intelligent, and what are the most intelligent? Probably chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are the most intelligent. Okay, so again, a long word, beautiful, 3 syllables. So we don't say beautifuler, we don't say beautifulest, we say more beautiful or the most beautiful. So let's see, more beautiful. So, in my opinion, again, beaches are beautiful. Beaches are beautiful. But woods, for me, are more beautiful. Woods. You know the woods, like forests. And the most beautiful are forests. So, beaches are beautiful. Woods, which are small forests, are more beautiful, in my opinion. And forests are the most beautiful. Now we're back to a short word again. Hot, 1 syllable. So it's hot, hotter, the hottest. Let's have some examples. So, in Spain, September is hot. September is hot, but June is hotter. June is hotter, and August is the hottest. So in Spain, September is hot, June is hotter, and August is the hottest. The opposite. Let's go to England. Now, in England, It can be cold anytime, but let's say September is cold. November is colder, and January, February are the coldest. So, in England, September is cold, November is colder, and January and February are the coldest. Okay, let's just go through those one more time before we finish. Big, bigger, the biggest. Small, smaller, the smallest. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Slow, slower, the slowest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Intelligent, more intelligent, the most intelligent. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. Hot, hot, the hottest. Cold, colder, the coldest. Okay, I hope you found the video useful. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. It's completely free. If there's any particular thing you'd like me to do a video on, please write me a comment below and I will do my best to do the video you want. And yes, thank you as always for watching. Take care, look after yourself, and I will see you very soon in the next video. And until then, as always, may your God go with you. Thank you. Goodbye.